Hey guys, Norm here with Mobile Glass. What we've got is a little chip here. This is an Audi A5. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's right at the paint area. Just going to take a little bit longer for the resin to cure when we get to that spot point in the repair, because that spot's right there with all the black paint, so it's going to cover up our mirror and so forth. But I want you to get a good look at it here before we get started. I'll explain to you what we're doing. We're in Driftwood, if I didn't mention that already, so we do offer mobile service out this way. No problem, just give us a holler. So what we're first gonna do is just drill right there where the rock hit, and then we'll get set up for the repair. I'll show you every point along the way. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we've drilled the impact point just slightly, and I've set up our bridge assembly. That's what this is right here. So with the suction cup, it holds against the surface of the windshield. We line this barrel up right over the top of where we drilled, or where the rock impacted. So we're gonna be able to put the liquid glass in there, and under pressure force that through the crack. So we are in direct sunlight, as you can see, so we have our UV shield. We'll put that over the top so that the resin will not cure until we're confident it filled in the crack as much as possible. So I'll show you that step here along the way. Thanks for watching. All right, so we took the UV shield off, and we're letting the sun get to it now. As you can see, it did fill really well. Most of the damage, again, is kind of, you see the line there, just faintly. That's how you know it filled. So the line is still there. You could see it more when you're looking in line with the line, if you will, versus perpendicularly. It definitely disappears. That's when you know the resin's filled it in and displaced all the air. So it's looking pretty good. Like I said, we're letting the sun get to it. Give it a couple minutes. We'll take that bridge off and we'll start working on the pit, the surface of the glass. My specialty. All right. You'd almost think it was a different windshield. This one turned out perfect. So I'm not sure how well you can even tell where the damage was here. Try to get as close as possible. But that is a finished product. Guys, need help with windshield repair replacement? Give us a call, 800-557-3078. Thank you for watching.